Now if you still need to get the carriage out, you got to remove your ribbon wire, and you do that by, you know, pulling down on here on each of these little things there. It just pulls down, and then once it's down, the ribbon should come out. Oh, it's taped. It's taped down there, so you gotta get it off that tape. It's really sticky tape. And then once that's off, then it should slide down, as long as you got it unlocked. So it slides down. And when you put it back on, it's probably easier to take this plate off to slide it in there. And then what you want to do is you want to get the belt off, and the belt is held on by two little pins. They look like that, but they're both underneath and they're a pain to get to. So that's why it helps to relieve that tension. So then you can slide this towards the back of the machine, and then it'll give you some play. Watch your wires. But with that amount of play, you can try to get you can't even see it in the video. There it is. You can try to get a really small screwdriver to get that thing off, and then that'll slide the pin up, and then there's a little black washer that holds it onto there, and then you gotta weasel the belt off that side. You gotta do the same thing on this side.